Hello and welcome to InstaForex Economic News TV channel with us, Takhmina Salomova
and Kate Tikhina.
You're watching the currency and commodity market review for the last week.
What change took place in the foreign exchange market throughout last week?
The US dollar traded near 3-year lows on Friday.
And what triggered the sell-offs?
Highlighted fears of a US government shutdown unnerved investors. At the same time, US Treasury yields continued an upward march to hit the highest levels since September 2014. The euro rose to $1.2280 after hitting a 3-year peak above $1.2300 earlier last week on expectations that the European Central Bank would take steps towards winding back on monetary stimulus measures. The euro's rally was tempered later as some ECB officials expressed concerns about the shared currencies' strength. The pound sterling took a hit on Friday after fresh data showed a small drop in December retail sales. Sterling was down around 0.3% against the US dollar at 1.3850, having climbed as high as 1.3940 in morning trading ahead of the release. It had been gaining ground on a weak dollar as American politicians continued to grapple over a stopgap bill that would avert a government shutdown, but was knocked after the Office for National Statistics said UK retail sales tumbled by 1.5% month-over-month, making their worst December performance since 2010. Bitcoin was trading above $11,000 on Friday after sharp sell-offs earlier in the week, which at one stage saw it almost cut in half from last month's all-time high above $19,000. That's all about the current tendencies on Forex and what trends prevailed in the commodity market last week.
Oil prices fell more than 1%.
And what was behind such moves?
A bounce back in US production outweighed ongoing declines in crude inventories. Brent crude futures were at $68.63 a barrel, down 1.3% on the day. Last Monday, they hit their highest since September 2014 at $70.37. Brent prices fell as investors were spooked by warnings from the International Energy Agency, which said US oil production could hit record highs this year. US Tex intermediate crude futures were also 1% lower, trading at $63.28 a barrel. Gold prices rose, supported by a weaker dollar amid worries about a possible US government shutdown. February gold futures settled at $1,333.10 an ounce. For the week, the metal fell by about 0.1% following gains in each of the last 5 weeks. On Wednesday, prices settled at the highest level since September 8th.
Takhmina, thank you for the commodity market review. You have been watching the weekly currency and commodity market review on InstaForex TV.
It was presented to you by Kate Tikhina
and by Takhmina Salomova.
Have a great day. Goodbye.
See you.